then while you pull all that stuff out, I'm going to be putting it, I'm going to be organizing it, okay?
Okay.
You're so cute. I think people need to see your face.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lynn, and I do weekly videos like these. Today I am bringing to you our pantry clean out and organization, and my husband is helping, which I'm super excited about. He just got home from work and he is already willing to help, but looks like we dropped something.
Back up. Don't let me hear this glass.
That's okay, we didn't need that hot sauce anyways. High five.
It's
Hot, it's spicy, it's hot, it's glass, it's all in one.
Oh, that's hot.
While he cleans this up, I'm gonna finish pulling everything out of the pantry and start getting it situated in all of the bins to put it back in. I don't know if you guys are like me, but tonight I had a wild hair and I was searching for the motivation to do this all day, but it didn't come until right before dinner. So here we go. Pantry clean out and organization at least twice a year. Depends on how I'm feeling. Look at him dance. Depends on how I'm feeling. I might do it more, but it's really important to do this just so you don't have a lot of old expired food in there, and then it also keeps the clutter down. Here I'm going to sort my oatmeal. I eat an organic vegan oatmeal. I absolutely love it. Let me know if you guys want the name of it. It's really good and I get it from Target. I lucked out and I got all these bins from the Dollar Tree. I know sometimes it can be really hard to get all the colors you want, so I was really happy when I found white. So I'm pulling all the old blue ones out and going to use the white ones. Here it is, all clean. First, we're going to add the Keurig holder, I guess that's what you call it. My husband's going to fill it up for me. Here we go. The magic of editing. Everything is filled up. The bins are filled up and put back in there, and it feels really nice and clean. I wasn't able to show that I actually got on my hands and knees, scrubbed the baseboards and the floor, as well as did a wipe down to the racks there. But when kids need your attention, you have to do it fast, and sometimes the camera isn't there, so bear with me, guys. Here are all my coffee Keurig cups. My kids' ramen noodles. I know they're bad. Here are all the beans. Here are the rice and cornbread mixes. I'm glad I got a basket big enough for chips. Usually we have more. I found this really cute, I guess it's a metal bin from Marshall's, and it was actually for my bathroom, but it works perfectly for bread. Here are cereals. I actually did the labels off my Silhouette machine. Let me know if you guys want some labels. Here is another bin. I put my potatoes in here. Usually I pull them out of the bag, but I just went ahead and put them in there because it's a new bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos like these, please consider subscribing. Bye!